Welcome back to another episode of Homemade Fridays. We currently have a lot of things becoming available to us in the garden right now. Sweet corn being one of the big deciding factors in this week's recipe. We're going to do a corn black bean salsa. With things being so busy, this recipe is really a fantastic option. We can utilize a lot of the other items out of the garden. It's pretty quick to make. It's very tasty, eaten seasonally. And then when we can start getting a little bit caught up, we'll start spending a little time doing a tomato-based salsa as well that we'll end up canning and be able to utilize the rest of the winter. So keep an eye out for that video here in the near future. But today we're gonna do some really tasty corn salsa. One last little quick note, we are big cilantro fans. I know not everyone is. If that's something you don't want, you can obviously skip that ingredient if that's your preference.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the harmonies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the harmonies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.